Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another cool and exciting tutorial. And here is how to create a bootable Windows installation USB drive, starting with the window ISO file or Windows setup DVD. And in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to boot your flash drive and get simply Windows setup. And as you see over here, we need to create a window bootable or our flash bootable. We need around 5 or 4 things. The first one is we need Windows installation setup via ISO or DVD, and the second one is USB flash drive with at least 5 GB free space. This drive will be formatted, so make sure that it doesn't have any important file on it. And the third one is technical PC. It means Windows PC that you will use to format the USB flash drive. And in the last step is destination PC, a PC that you will install Windows on. Here, just let me show you the first step: format the drive and set a primary operation as active. There is we can boot our flash drive by using 2 ways. One is just using your local PC, and you can make active as you can make just boot your flash drive, or using these two software, Win32 disk image or Rufus, which says this two software. You can just simply boot your flash drive. Check the link in the description to download those two software. Okay, just let us start by just booting our flash drive. Let me extract this software, Rufus. Here is the Rufus, and then here you firstly you should have to check whether your flash drive is entered or not. Here, just let me enter the flash drive in. Here, as you see, it's 14.5 GB. It's free, nothing is inside it. And then just let me exit and right click, run as administrator on the software here. And then over here you should have to if you have an ISO image, or by if you have by disk image or ISO image, you can just click over here and just choose from here DD image. It means DVD image or ISO image. Just have by ISO image, then click in here and just let me show him where my Windows file is located. Copy, and after over here paste, enter. Here is my Windows setup, Windows 10, all our Windows via ISO. Then open. Here it's ready now. Now you should have to make it, click on this quick format, create a bootable disk using ISO image, and create external label and icon files, as you see over here. Then after, click on start. And before you do that, so you should have to check the file system. You should have to make it on NTFS, and then start button, start. Then he is just giving some warning. It says all data on this device, new volume G16 GB, will be destroyed. To continue with this operation, click OK to continue, or click cancel, says to quit. Then just let me click OK to continue to boot my device, my flash drive. Then OK. Here he is now booting my flash drive, and it takes some minute, around 30 or 15 minute. It takes around 15 or 10 minutes. You should have to have a patience, and after that you have a bootable disk, a bootable flash drive, which it have a window inside it, in Windows setup. And I'm gonna skip this step because it takes some minute, and I will back later. And now, as you see over here, the disk is already the disk is already booted, and now we have a boot flash drive. Let's check over here, or let's refresh this PC. Here, Windows 10 ISO. Here, just let me eject the device. Let me enter from the first eject. Here, now let me enter my flash drive. Here, as you see, my flash drive is now already booted. Here the Windows setup is already now. Now after you restart your computer, it will ask you if you need to install Windows from your USB flash drive, because it already booted. Now the drive is already activated. And let us come to the second step, or the second way. I just already told you to download this software, and check the link in the description. Okay, let us see if this software. Okay, here this Win 32 disk image. Here 32 Win 32 disk imager. This also as before run as administrator. Here. Then after, but the thing that you should have to do first, you should have to format your flash drive. You will not need to just format, because this one is also can format the software. It can format. So let me paste the place where my Windows image over here. Anything from image. If you have any from an image setup, you can just click into it, or if it's not image file, click this and Windows 10 open. Now right after that, right here. And also this one is giving you the warning. It's saying writing a physical device can corrupt the device. Target device G, or are you going to continue? You should have to confirm by clicking yes. And after that, you will get what? You will get the bootable flash drive. And then let us come to the third step, how you can just boot your flash drive. To do so, you have to just firstly format the drive and set the partition as active. Okay, let us format our partition, which it means our flash drive. Let us format. You should have to format using command prompt or disk from disk management. Okay, let us format using CMD. Okay, right click, run as administrator here. Then after disk part, over here list volume, then hit enter. Here is our Windows flash drive. Then after select volume 4, then hit enter. Now the volume 4 is already selected. Now type format fs ntfs, then after quick, then hit enter. Now wait a moment. And after that we'll get the flash already formatted using NTFS file system. Wait a moment. Here 100% completed. Disk part is successfully formatted the volume. Now click here and then like that. Now if you check here, our USB flash drive is already what? Formatted. Now over here, or type window plus R from your keyboard and then type disk mgmt.msc, then hit OK or enter. Here now we already just open the disk management here. Now just to boot our device, we should have to, or the disk is already active here, we should have to active this flash drive. This should have to active this flash drive. To active this flash drive, you can active using CMD. Let us active the device using CMD. Here CMD, then after run as administrator here as before. Disk part, list volume, then after our volume is G or 4, this one 14 GB, then after select volume 4. Now to active the device, to active this device, type active, only active, then hit enter. Here disk part marked the current partition as active. Now you can just copy the window file or window setup over here, paste here. This one is my Windows setup. Open with Windows Explorer. Now you should have to just copy the window setup. Here is my window setup. Right click, open, then here all, then after copy here, then after over here paste. Here now our window setup is start copying using Explorer. It's already starting. Now I'm gonna just skip this step because it takes some minute. And now as you see over here, our window setup is already copied. Here refresh, and now this PC, here is my window setup. Let me just eject this one. Of course, this is window setup in a USB flash drive. Just let us check out, and then let's enter it again. Here, as you see, if you copy the file and paste over it, you can simply get the bootable flash drive if the drive is active. By using this three way, you can simply active or you can simply boot your flash drive and get window on your USB drive. This all by using software, this both software, or by using your operating system, your operating system without any kind of software. You can just active, you can just boot your flash drive. This is all what I have for you today, guys. Thank you very much for my video. For my latest update, follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, and don't forget to click on bell ring and subscribe my channel to just receive exciting and cool tutorial. This all, bye bye till I come to another tutorial.